I got shit I'm thinking about in my mind. Running around, got shit that I do that no one knows about. Nobody seen it. If I told you, probably wouldn't believe it. So I'm keeping it to myself. Not that I'm secretive when I do my dolo, do my solo. Not that I'm antisocial, that's just how I roll. And I need some time to search my soul. Self-reflect and process shit. Something's gotta give before I'm giving up. Before I'm going loco. Before I'm going psycho. Before I'm going out my mind. Cause the world's a scary place and life's a bitch and people are so unkind. Stuck in their ways and blind. You can get stuck, you can get petrified. I'ma keep trying till I'm coming back to life. Until I'm coming back to the light. And I wonder who knows if anybody knows what it feels like. Don't act like you know what's going on, what it is that's going on. Don't act like you know what it is, cause I won't tell, I won't show. I'ma hold it all inside and don't think you can see inside my head what I see. You can see what I see. You can see it through my eyes. You can see it through my eyes. You can see it. You can see it through my eyes. Now you can't read my mind. Don't act like you can read my mind. Being all standoffish, not acting like myself, and everybody knows and everybody can tell something's off. Been a long time, been to hell and back, dog. It's a long, dark, lonely road, but I had to take that walk and I had to sit down, had to take that pause and I had to think that I was lost. Took a wrong turn, I had to get moved, I had to get burnt, had a life lesson to learn. Yes, it was my turn, but now I'm so self-assured from all the tension, the pain and the pressure and the energy and the effort. All that hard work can't be measured. No comforts and no pleasures. Had to dig a hole, but I found buried treasures. Don't act like you know what's going on, what it is that's going on. You don't know what it is. I won't tell, I won't show, I'll keep it all inside. Don't think you can see inside my head. You don't see, you can't see it through my eyes. Don't act like you can, don't act like you can read my mind.